Welcome back. Welcome back. Today is February, April 1st, and we are focused on this very long red candle right here. My name is Jazz. I love to trade options, as you can tell by the name. But for these videos, I usually just take a few minutes to talk through SPY or the S&P 500 and its price movements, whether it went up, down, consolidated, and why they did that. Do a little technical analysis, do a little fundamental analysis, but honestly, I make these videos just to talk through my thinking and talk through why SPY did what it did in the market for the day. I do update these or release a video every day on a daily basis, and if you want to know more or look into what I've done in the past, I'll link the SPY trend tracker here for you. Okay, let's get into it. So for today, like, do you see the material? Like, this is crazy. And I don't know. When I see the market go crazy like this, I'm just like, are you not entertained? I get excited. Especially when I'm not in a trade. I'm just more so observing. So like I'm not necessarily trading. I'm trading in sim and just like testing things, but this dip is wild. I will go into why these things happened. Um, and then I will kind of go through like my thinking of like where price may hit depending on or looking at the zones. So today, and just in general, uh, China hit back the USA with a 34% tariff on all US imports, which was one of the reasons for this market sell off. The Dow fell over 2,000 points today, or over 5%. So this week it had a negative, like around 15% drop. And then the S&P fell 6% today. And then in general, just over the past 2 days, the market has lost $6.6 trillion. We also had tech stocks decline. We had our Fed Chair Powell warning of economic slowdown. He was saying that the tariffs are just the effects of them were larger than expected. And then they're still in a wait and see holding pattern. So they did not announce any rate cuts today. But people are speculating, or analysts are speculating, that there will be rate cuts because of the weakened economy. We had a good jobs report, but unemployment was high. So those are just a few of the things that I wouldn't say like it contributed to it, but most of this is due to the tariffs. So let's get into kind of where price hit and why. So I don't know if you remember, but yesterday we talked about this zone right here was a gap, breezed right through that. We had a zone right here, which I will take and make this a gap since a gap was created. We had a zone here, this orange area went straight through that. Then we had a gap here, a buyer's gap here in the purple, went straight through that. And we are approaching another buyer's gap here. So let me realign these zones for y'all. All right, that should read a little better. And then again, we have these zones below, this purple zone here, this blue zone here, and this yellow zone here that were created back in May 2024. The levels that we're approaching and the amount of I guess like the amount that we are dropping by is actually more than what it was in COVID and at the rate that it was. So yes, the market is very volatile, and come back on Monday so we can see how price was affected. If you like this video, if you like some of the things that I'm talking about, leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and that's all I have for you today. I'll see you all Monday. Thank you so much.